Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. Thank you for watching my videos. I am Kathleen Alejandro, 27 years old, single. I am a Catholic religion. I am the fourth youngest of the family. I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters. I am a college graduate. I took up computer secretarial. I am a college graduate.
How long you studied in college before?
2 years.
Okay, are you an ex-abroad?
No,
Okay, so how many years you work as a helper here in the Philippines?
2 years.
How many members of the family?
2 adults and 5 kids.
How old the kids?
15, 13, 10, 9, 4, 5.
5, okay. All boys or girls?
All boys.
What did you do as a helper in the house?
Cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes, cooking, taking care of the kids, marketing.
Okay, how many times you go to market?
At least 2 times a week.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For my future and also to help my family.
Okay, and you have boyfriend right now? And how, if you ever you feel homesick, what will you do?
I just want to focus to my work and relax.
Okay, how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as the employer needs me.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. You will be given only weekdays off. Is that okay for you?
Yes.
You love kids? You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes.
Okay, there's a grandparent staying in the house. Is that okay for you?
I am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes.
How long, if ever, are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes?
I am willing.
Okay, and are you willing to share room with the kids or the baby?
Willing.
It's okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
To my future employer, please don't hire me. I am easy to learn and I will do my responsibility and taking care of the kids also. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2027.